Sleep as a mom? Feels like a joke, right? Between late night wake ups and a never ending to-do list, getting real rest seems impossible. But I have found 3 game-changing tricks that actually work. So let's dive in. For me, a cluttered kitchen equals a cluttered mind. Before winding down each night, I like to take at least 5 minutes to put the kitchen to bed. Wipe down surfaces, load the dishwasher, and turn off bright lights. A clean space signals to your brain that the day is done. I know, we've all done it. Just one more post, right? Blue light actually suppresses melatonin, making it harder to sleep. Try this. 30 minutes before bed, put your phone away. Charge it outside of your room. Use an alarm clock instead if needed. Rushing straight from chaos to bed, it's not gonna work. Your body needs a transition into sleep mode. A simple 10-minute routine, herbal tea, deep breathing, reading a good book, or journaling can help signal to the brain, hey, it's time to rest now. Good sleep, at least as a mom, isn't just a dream, it's possible. These small changes add up to better rest, more energy, and a happier you. If you have a favorite sleep hack, then go ahead and share it below to help more exhausted moms get the rest they deserve. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mom hacks and wellness tips.